In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv Embed form error quickly and correctly so your subscribe form loads the way it should on your website. This is a really common issue when an old embed code stops working. The form doesn't appear, or the layout breaks after a recent update. The good news is, in most cases, the fix is simple and only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Grow. This is where Beehiiv keeps the tools for building and managing your audience growth features. After that, open Subscribe Forms. Here you'll see the forms connected to your publication. Now take a moment to verify that the form you want to use is active. This step matters because if the form is inactive, the embed code may not display correctly on your site. If the form is active, the next step is to copy the latest embed code. Make sure you use the newest version provided by Beehiiv, because outdated code is one of the most common reasons embed forms fail. Now switch over to your website editor or website builder. This could be WordPress, Webflow, Squarespace, Wix, or whichever platform you use to manage your pages. Find the area where the old Beehiiv embed code was added. Remove the old embed code completely before pasting in the new one. This is important because leaving the old code in place can cause conflicts, duplicate scripts, or loading issues. Once the old code is removed, paste the new embed code into the same section. Double-check that you placed it in the correct embed or code block so it loads properly on the page. After that, save your website changes. Don't skip this step, because if the changes aren't saved, the new embed code won't actually go live. Once everything is saved, refresh the web page where the form should appear. Give it a moment to load, and then check whether the Beehiiv form is displaying correctly. If it still doesn't show up right away, refresh again and make sure the page cache isn't holding the old version. In many cases, simply replacing the outdated embed code with the latest one will solve the problem instantly, and if the form is still not loading, go back and confirm that the form is active inside Beehiiv and that the code was pasted into the right place on your website. That's it. You've now fixed the Beehiiv Embed form error by checking the form status, copying the newest embed code, replacing the old one, and confirming the form loads correctly on your site. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.